In today's video, we're going to talk about how you change a decimal into a percent. First of all, what does percent mean? Well, it means per 100. If you look at the number 100, you know it has two zeros. And when you multiply a decimal by a power of 10 number, which 100 is, you're going to move the decimal to the right by the number of spaces equal to how many zeros you have. If we're multiplying it by 100, we're going to move it to the right 2 spaces. Let's walk through 4 examples here. 0.72 converted to a percent is 72. We're going to move the decimal to the right 2 spaces, put it here, 72%. Second example, 0.06 or 6 hundredths. We're going to move the decimal to the right 2 spots. The decimal goes here. It's 6%. 0.875. We're going to move our decimal to the right 2 spots, put it there. So in this case, it's going to be 87.5%. 0.23 or 23 hundredths. We're going to take our decimal, move it to the right 2 spots, add our percent sign, it's 23%. So now that you've gone through 4 examples, try this bonus question on your own. Convert 0.015 to a percent. Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll post another link to a video that shows you exactly the answer and how I got there. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.